pioneers on the remaining side of the planet. Unfortunately, this side is soon enough claimed by new landowners, just like the other side was. Mr. Monopoly awakes from his slumber and becomes one of the people who has claimed the land on the new side. This means that there is no free land that the farmer can go to live and work without paying rent. Thus, he has no other choice but to pay whatever amount of rent Mr. Monopoly charges. The rent that he must pay for his survival will be very high because he depends on the land for his survival and can go nowhere else on the planet rent-free. Therefore, every time he harvests his crops, Mr. Monopoly uses his vacuum to suck up most of our farmer's earnings. Because the rent is so high, our farmer has very little money left over for himself. A wage of 1 indicates that he barely makes ends meet. His clothes get dirtier, and he becomes even more poor and unhappy. The farmer in green, who again represents the average of all the poor farmers in his area, gets an idea. He thinks maybe if he works harder, he can keep more for himself after his rent is paid. Look at the number above his head. It reads 7. Yet as more people work harder, Mr. Monopoly will experiment with charging